Hello, this is Guy Selga. Today I'm in Disney's Grand Californian Resort in the DVC wing, and this is one of the newly refurbished rooms. They just refurbished a bunch of them in 2025. This is a new one. I'm gonna take you on a little tour, give you a little review. Got a lot to go over, so let's get started. Okay, starting off in the entrance hallway right here, and we'll just go right into the main room. And right here, we got a queen size bed. Plenty of storage space underneath. That was one of the complaints about Grand Californian ages ago before the 2018 refurbishment. They fixed it back then, carried the changes over into now. Plenty of luggage storage space. The DVC wing was definitely in need of a refurbishment. I believe some of the rooms were even older than the 2018 refurbishment that the main towers got. But this looks very nice and fresh. Hard and soft good refurbishment. We got a wireless charger here, a couple USB-C ports. Oh, look at that new pen. Wow, that's nice. Little notepad there. And new for this refurbishment is the fold down Murphy bed. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. Okay, here is the Murphy bed folded down. And it's a big old bed, and who's that? Flower? Yeah, wow. Very nice. Look at that. Here's the very nicely sized balcony. Nice to relax on. Look at the little view of the park over there. Silly Symphony swings off in the distance. Good sized table right here with a couple of chairs. TV with a dresser. A lot of space here to put stuff too, that's nice. Little kitchenette. This is a studio, by the way, deluxe studio on the DVC side. Refrigerator with a little chiller up top. It is icy in there, so maybe it will keep stuff kind of cold. This being DVC, there should be, oh wow, there's no, usually there's extra paper towels and dishwashing stuff. Maybe that's somewhere else. Microwave, ice bucket, and oh, there's the extra paper towel. Okay, and some plates and utensils. So everything you need to heat up your leftovers from Din Tai Fung. And we got some mugs and, no, just mugs. Okay, not bad. Going into the bathroom area, plenty of counter space now and some extra storage down below. And then here we have a full-size closet with the Grand Californian robes that everybody loves. Nice and soft. And don't try to take those because I think they charge you like $150 or something. Laundry basket, extra pillow, blanket, safe, ironing board with iron, even a vacuum, luggage rack, everything you need. Going into the bathroom, I want to say I used to think that the water pressure in the Grand Californian wasn't that great. I'm going to try that out right now. Okay, I guess that's not bad. Anyway, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash built into the wall. Decent sized bathroom, looks nice. Okay. That's it for the tour, and now we'll give my thoughts. All right, it's the morning after here at the Grand Californian DVC wing. Got my breakfast burrito and breakfast fries from Smoke Jumpers Grill in DCA. I just ran in and grabbed it, took it back up, figured I'd enjoy it on my balcony. You can see off in the background, Silly Symphony swing, the credit coaster and all that. A little noisy out here, can't hear it all inside. The soundproofing was great. So, just sharing my thoughts. Now, my only complaint is that if you're sleeping on the left side of the bed, there's no nightstand or charger or anything. And so I just had to put my phone like kind of on the floor because the outlet is at the foot of the bed, and so it didn't really reach to the top. So that's not a big major complaint. It's just a little weird in this day and age to not have something like that. But anyway, mattress is good, pillows are good, not too firm, not too soft. Only needed one pillow. Took a shower, water pressure is good. Oh, you can hear somebody swings now. So overall, a great room, a much needed upgrade. The bed that folds down is perfect. It clears up so much room when it's not in use, and the bed is a normal bed in every way. It's very comfortable, and it just looks, the room definitely looks more fresh, but they also didn't go full bland like a lot of Disney hotels are doing these days. There's still a bit of character in there. It still matches the arts and crafts Californian theme, so that's nice. So anyway, a great upgrade for the DVC tower, much needed. We hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and please subscribe to us. It really helps, those like and all that. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.